Leveling your forks. Once the driver has learned the basics of rear wheel steering, it's time to learn how to pick up and place loads. To do this, it's important that the operator learn how to level the forks. This sounds easy, but if the operator fails to learn how to do this, they will get into all kinds of trouble when trying to pick up or place loads.
Oh, damn.
Once the forks are level with the load, then the operator can make a nice clean entry and properly pick up the load. That looks easy from that angle, but when the new operator is on the machine, it can be difficult to judge if the forks are actually level or not. For beginners, don't be afraid to step off the machine and take a closer look. A forklift is considered to be attended as long as the operator is within 25 feet. You are allowed to put the parking brake on, leave the engine running, and step off to get a closer look. My favorite way of testing for level forks is to watch how the pallet moves when it is first lifted. If the far end moves before the close end, then your forks are tilted too far back. If the front end moves before the back end, then your forks are tilted too far forward. When both ends of the pallet move at the same time, then you have perfectly level forks.
When this mast is straight up and down, then your forks are level, okay? You want to be straight, going in. And when you pick up a load, you want to touch it, okay? You want to get into the habit of the load. You want to just go up and nudge it, okay? And when you lift up, literally 2 to 6 inches, you only have to lift up a little bit. Now in the real world, you lift up something heavy and then you tilt it back, okay? And tilting it back just gives you more security. The center of gravity, it's much safer, okay?